Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss 5 underrated skincare brands that you need to be using in 2021. So let's jump right into the list. So the first brand, I got my notes, my handy dandy notebook. So the first brand is Philosophy. I am a Philosophy girl. Philosophy makes skincare easy, simple, not complicated, and it works so effectively. People give me so many compliments on the way my skin looks. I mean, granted, I have foundation on now and like makeup, but your makeup doesn't look good unless your skin looks good. And if you want your skin to look good, you need to have a basic regimen that you can repeatedly follow, so that way you can build up having that amazing skin and taking care of your face. And people are so quick to, oh, what are all these trendy skincare brands, Fenty Skin, this one, that one, and you hop from thing to thing to thing, but then it's trendy, people stop using it, no one talks about it no more, and it's done. But some of these skincare brands, they've been around for years and years and years because they work. Okay, and Philosophy is one of them. So let me tell you some product recommendations of the things you should try from Philosophy. Purity Cleanser. I live and die by Purity Cleanser. It's funny, I go to my family's house a lot, my sister's house. There's a little Philosophy everywhere I go, because that's just the best cleanser, and I need it when I inevitably end up staying at your house. Because that's what family's for. But yeah, so you need that cleanser. It removes makeup, cleanses your skin, is perfect if you have oily skin. It takes away the excess oil but doesn't strip your face. An amazing cleanser. And it removes makeup. Did I say it removes makeup? It really removes makeup, unlike some of these cleansers that say that remove makeup and they don't. Microdelivery Face Exfoliator. Phenomenal product. It's a gentle exfoliator that you can literally use every day and you will never have irritation. It's so cool. Love that product. The Pore Extractor, Purity Pore Extractor. It's like a clay mask that I use once a week, twice a week, and what it does is it takes all the blackheads and like just cleans your pores. So for me, I have a lot of blackheads in my nose, and what it does is like I can literally, like, my nose changes color once I use this product because I can literally see all the blackheads being sucked out. Fragrances, I love their perfumes. My favorite is Pure Grace. They have really great fragrances. Purity Body Gel, one of my new favorite shower gels that I use. I actually like kicked Dove out the bathroom like yeah, and now it's all about Purity Body Gel, shower gel. That's my fave. The shower gel bubble bath shampoo trios from Philosophy. It's one product that does 3 things. For people with dry hair and for people who are African American, I would caution strongly against washing your hair with it, but it makes a great shower gel and a great bubble bath. So love that from Philosophy. And the body mist. A lot of body mists have so much alcohol and chemicals in it that when you spray it, the fragrance is like, oh, I don't even like that. But yeah, Philosophy, they do it in a real classy adult way that you get the fragrance and it's stronger than a perfume and it lasts longer, especially like if you put it on clothing, but it's not cheap smelling, and I love that. Okay, second skincare brand that y'all need to stop sleeping on and try in 2021 is Glossier. Glossier had a moment probably like 2019, 2018. Everybody was talking about it, and then mum's a word, everybody stopped talking. Their products are still great. I don't understand why y'all aren't giving them a try. Let me tell you what things to start with if you are interested in learning more about Glossier and you want a place to start. Also, I have a code for Glossier. I will leave it in the description box. Also, number 1, the Super Pure Serum. If you just want your skin to be even toned, but you don't want to bleach it and you don't want to darken it, that is the best serum. One of the best serums, hand down. They also have a glow serum and a bounce serum for dry skin, more dry skin types, but if you're oily or combination, you're going to want to go with the Super Pure. Invisible Shield SPF is a daily moisturizer that has SPF in it. Great moisturizer. And SPF 35, that's always awesome. Balm Dot Calm is one of my favorite skincare products from them. It's basically like Vaseline but more mature and healthy, and it's amazing. If you have dry lips, you put on your lips. a lot of people have irritation from these masks. Put on your lips before you put on the mask. Your lips are fine. I put it on my elbows, on my cuticles, on my ear skin when my ears are dry. Like, it's an all-purpose miracle ointment. Balm Dot Calm from Glossier. I love that. And the primer, Moisturizer Rich. That is one of my favorite. I was using it as a night cream, even though technically it's not supposed to be, but it was a really great night cream for me. And I love that moisturizer. So that's what you need to try from Glossier. Okay, next is First Aid Beauty. They are really solid. So most people, what happens in your life is just like, you start off as a teenager, everything is acne products. Then you get into your mid-20s, your acne kind of slows down, but you want skincare products, but you don't want to spend the arm and a leg and get like these $40 skincare things yet, because you know you're still trying to get on your feet with your career, right? That is the perfect window to start buying First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty has kind of basic packaging, not too much fragrance, but it really works for your skin. Like, no irritation, no sensitivity, but your skin's gonna be clear and healthy. And I used to use a lot of products from them, so I'm gonna tell you my recommendations from First Aid Beauty. The Ultra Repair Cream is a phenomenal moisturizer. The face cleanser, the Hydrating Serum. It's funny, I actually didn't believe in serums until I tried this Hydrating Serum, because it changed my life. So if you're not gonna get anything else from them, get the Hydrating Serum. But also try out the Eye Duty AM PM Gel Cream. A lot of people like eye cream and want to use eye cream, but they don't want to use a day eye cream and a night eye cream. This is the perfect product that does both. And the Ultra Lip Repair Therapy. That was the only lip balm that I used for like 3 years, because if you have dry lips, it just brings your lips back to life. It's phenomenal. Okay, 2 more brands. Let's see, can you guess the next one? You should be able to. I talk about them all the time here on my channel. It's Supergoop. Supergoop SPF products are amazing. There's just no other brand that's doing SPF as well as Supergoop, so they're my favorite. And I feel like more people need to be talking about SPF, protective skincare, and specifically Supergoop. Things I love from them. Unseen Sunscreen. I have a review coming up soon on that, but phenomenal product. Glow Stick. It's basically a clear stick you rub all over your face, and it makes your skin look glowy, and it has SPF like 50 or something really great. The Play Mist, which is a setting spray. So a lot of issue that a lot of people with makeup have is you put on your SPF, load up your face with makeup, and then you're outside. You need to reapply your SPF every 90 minutes. Your face is already made up. What you're gonna do? Spray the setting spray. Now you reapply your SPF. And then the Defense Refresh. Oh, I'm lying. Defense Refresh is the setting spray. Play Mist is the body one. So when I go walking or running, if I'm wearing short sleeves or like capris or something, you know, you got to make sure that your body has the SPF too. So the Play Mist is for the body. Defense Fresh is the setting spray. Like I said, everything's going to be listed in the description box below. And the last skincare company that is underrated is one that a lot of us started our skincare journeys with this company. If you're on vacation and you forgot something, you usually look for this company. It is Neutrogena. Dermatologist recommended, all the things. Neutrogena's skincare line is so comprehensive. In terms of drugstore, I just don't see anybody even coming to their level. Like, they have something for everyone, whether you have age concerns, you have dry skin, you have sensitive skin, you have acne skin. Like, no matter what is going on with your skin, Neutrogena has a product for you. And I love some of their products. Let me tell you the things that I get from them. The Hydrogel moisturizer, a dupe for your favorite high-end gel moisturizer, and it's much cheaper. The Clean Pore Mask, you can use it for, I use it on like my nose and forehead and chin to get rid of like whiteheads and blackheads, but it's also a mask and a cleanser, so it does double duty. So especially for people who don't want to buy a whole bunch of products, I really recommend that. Alcohol-free toner, because if your toner has alcohol, it's destroying your face. Deep Clean Foaming Scrub. I like a good scrub, and that scrub really works well for me with my sensitive skin, so thank you, Neutrogena. And then oil-free face moisturizers. They have so many, like, they have a matrices of oil moisturizers, like SPF, sensitive skin, oil-free, extra moisturizing, nighttime moisturizer. Like, everything is just calibrated for you to use it at a certain time of day to address those certain needs. And other drugstore brands just don't really delineate their products like that, or explain or give you a roadmap of how to use the things. So shout out to Neutrogena, one of the #1 skincare brands in the drugstore, and they're highly underrated. Like, people do not give them their flowers, but so many of us have used Neutrogena over the years, and it's really helped our skin. And they're an underrated skincare company. Definitely don't sleep on Neutrogena. You might need to go back to some of your old faves from back in the day for these reoccurring skin problems that just keep coming and going. You heard what I'm saying? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.